Hey there, future bankers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in digital finance. Today, we're tackling how to use Go2Bank virtual card in 2025. If you're tired of carrying physical cards or want a secure way to shop online, this virtual card feature from Go2Bank is a game changer. By 2025, it's even more advanced with enhanced security and seamless integration with smart devices. Let's dive right in. First things first, you need to get started. Download the Go2Bank app from your device's app store. It's free and user-friendly. Once installed, open the app and sign up or log in with your existing account. Make sure to verify your identity quickly. It only takes a minute or two. Next, head to the Cards section in the app. Here, you can generate your virtual card. It's as easy as tapping a button. You'll get a unique card number, expiration date, and CVV code right on your screen. Don't worry, this card is linked directly to your Go2Bank account, so your funds are safe and accessible. Now, for the fun part, using it. Add funds to your virtual card by transferring money from your linked bank account or using in-app options. Then, shop online, subscribe to services, or even make contactless payments via the app's wallet feature. In 2025, Go2Bank has upgraded this with biometric authentication, like fingerprint or facial recognition, to ensure your transactions are extra secure. A few quick tips to make the most of it. Always enable transaction notifications so you can monitor your spending in real time. If you suspect any fraud, freeze the card instantly from the app. And remember, virtual cards are perfect for one-time use to protect your main account. There you have it. Using the Go2Bank virtual card in 2025 is straightforward, secure, and super convenient. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech finance tips. Drop your questions in the comments below, and let's keep the conversation going. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.